Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add someone to your Halifax account. Really easy and simple, guys. So I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first things first, what you're going to do is you want to go ahead and check eligibility. So you want to ensure that your account type actually allows joint saving holders. Personal and savings accounts are usually eligible, but you can go ahead and confirm this with Halifax. So what you next need to do is you want to go ahead and log into your Halifax online banking or visit a local branch to basically start the process. And both account holders need valid photo ID, so you'll need a passport, driver's license, and proof of address. Okay. Or for example, for proof of address, what you can do is you can use a utility bill or bank statement, and then you're gonna go ahead and initiate the application. So you can do this either online or in branch. So if you're doing this online, what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and navigate to the manager account section and look for the option to add a joint holder. And if you're doing this in a branch, what you can do is you can ask a staff member to basically help you with the paperwork. Then you just need to fill out the forms, complete the forms, fill out the joint account application, provide details for the new account holder, including their full name, their date of birth, and contact information. And then what you're going to do is you want to go ahead and go through the verification approval process. So Halifax will basically review the information, and the added person might need to visit a branch to verify their identity. And once approved, guys, the new account holder can basically log in, view balances, and manage the account alongside you. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.